Now, there's a lot of information out there about the support at eXp Realty, and after being with the company for almost 8 years, I can say personally that hands down, the support system is absolutely amazing. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the different ways that you can get support, get the answers to your questions very quickly so you can get out there and sell more real estate. So let's dive into it. Now, the first one is your sponsor. This is the person that is guiding you through the process of getting onboarded at eXp Realty, but your sponsor is your go-to person for basically everything. I've personally sponsored a ton of agents at eXp Realty, and they all know that they can reach out to me for anything that they need at any time. So your sponsor is the very first person that you reach out to that can guide you and point you to the direction that you need. Now, the second one is one of my favorite ways to get support is actually Luna, which is our AI chatbot inside our Workplace app. So here we are in Workplace, and I pulled up Luna here and I've asked her a couple questions. The first one is, how can I find the training calendar? And within seconds, she actually posted a link right here to eXp Realty's training calendar, which is incredible. Over 80 hours of live interactive training every single week, and most of it's taught by top and mega producers. Now, the second question I asked here is, how do I update my credit card information? So within seconds, once again, she gave me specific instructions, gave me the exact website to log into, which is eXp Enterprise, which is a hub for everything eXp Realty. And then she walked me step by step on how to actually update my credit card. So our artificial intelligence Luna chatbot is inside our Workplace accounts, so we can access it from our desktop computers or our cell phones 24 hours a day to get real-time support. And while we're in Workplace here, check this out. You can see Karen Richards. I was actually reaching out to my state broker. There are so many people that are available at your fingertips through our Workplace, which is the entire company connected on one platform, very similar to Facebook. This is actually built by Facebook, called Workplace for Business. But every single person inside the entire company is available through Workplace. You can direct message the founder of the company, Glenn Sanford, the board of directors, basically anybody in the company you can direct message. It goes right to their cell phone. So 7 days a week, you have access to thousands and thousands of people that are here to help you grow your business and answer the questions that you have. So that's one of the most amazing tools we have is eXp Workplace. So the next one I want to share with you is our Explore Guide. By logging into eXp Enterprise, which is the proprietary software that you log into, it basically archives everything, your entire production, all of your numbers, but there's a lot of different tabs within eXp Enterprise that get you to other solutions as well. So here we are inside eXp Enterprise, and I want to point out the Explore Guide. So the Explore Guide is very similar to like a Google search, all things eXp Realty. So here we are in the Explore Guide, and let's say you're looking for more information about the Icon Award. You sell a lot of real estate and you want to know exactly how it works. So you type in Icon Award here, and then it shows eXp Realty Production Awards. So you click on here and it basically walks you through everything that you need to know about how to receive the Icon Award and how the breakdown works of actually paying out the stock. There is a 3-year vesting on the Icon Award and all the stock awards that are available to you at eXp Realty. But the takeaway here is the Explore Guide is another resource for you to pull documentation to find out more information about the things that you may be looking for. So we're back inside eXp Enterprise, and let's say you're having a tech snag, you can't run your software. This is something that's very common. It happens to me over the years as well. So I'm coming back inside eXp Enterprise, and I'm going to click on Knowledge Base and Support. And what this is going to do is it's going to kick you to another page that's actually going to have a lot of information on it. And all the way down at the very bottom, I'm going to click Support a Ticket. Now, depending on what exactly it is, let's say it's just general support like I was talking about with tech support. So you fill this information out here and you click Send. And the next thing you know, you get an email from our tech department to help you with that specific challenge that you're having. Like I said, I've done this so many times over the years with different computers logging in and out of these systems to be able to run the software at eXp Realty. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ways for you to get support at eXp Realty. And the most important is your broker team. So once again, if you need to connect with your brokers or you need support from a broker on the weekend, because that's when most real estate is done, be sure to jump inside Workplace and check out your state group. So I'm going to show you what our support looks like here in Texas. So I'm back inside Workplace on the Texas state group, and there's actually brokers that will serve us on the weekend. So this is how you can connect to them. So we have access to our brokers on the weekend. You can direct message them. You can call them directly through the app, reach out to your sponsor. There is a lot of people at eXp Realty that are willing to help you out. You just have to continue to reach out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, consider subscribing. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video.